GPS number 15C, define price elasticity of demand. The three things you need to know is that they want to know if the demand is elastic for a certain item. Typically, I use gasoline as the example for an elastic item, and then also an inelastic item. You have elastic, you have unitary elastic, you have inelastic. And there's a formula that you put this into, and we'll work these out in class, but the key number that you need to know is whether or not the formula spits out a number that's greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1. Okay? And if it's greater than 1, then the demand is considered to be elastic. Elastic demand is greater than 1 on the formula. What that means is that the demand changes greatly with the small price change. I used the example of two gas stations. If one is at $3.01 and the other one is at $2.99, just with 2 cents of a difference, people will cross the road. They'll go, and get in the left-hand lane. They'll wait at the stoplight for 2 cents less a gallon. It's only 2 cents, but they don't see that. They just see that it's cheaper and it's a very elastic thing on a local level. Okay. If the formula spits out something that's equal to 1, unitary elasticity, okay, that's what it means is if it equals 1, it's unitary elastic. If the formula spits out less than 1 or a negative number, it's considered to be inelastic. An inelastic item would be usually a need, something like gasoline on the national level. I mean, let's look. Since 2004, up until 2008, gas prices have doubled, almost tripled at times. But people still drive. They still drive because they have to get to work, they have to get to school, they need it. Okay, so the price, it doesn't matter if it's doubled. People still pretty much drove until it hit like $5 a gallon. Then people started really cutting down on their consumption. But to a point, though, they drove and they paid double the prices. And they did it because the gasoline and oil on a national level, on a big level, is considered to be inelastic. Okay, so you have inelastic, unitary elastic, and elastic demand.